Sawyer, what happened to you?
Did you walk under a ladder? Smash a mirror? Have you looked in one lately?
No, a cat crossed my path.
Really? Orange tabby?
Yeah.
Oh, green vest?
Yeah.
Perhaps?
Yeah.
What a coinkydink.
How'd you know?
Oh, hippo intuition?
Wow, this is a dream come true.
Yeah. But don't forget, 10% of that dream is mine. Welcome to Hollywood.
Barlywinks Animal Agency, how can I help you? Oh, you need a lamb for the Moses picture?
Yes.
Oh, a sacrificial lamb? Sorry, fresh out. Ugh, every day I ask myself why I put up with this.
For the glamour.
Oh, what? This pigsty? No offense, Earl. Unless, of course, you're referring to the glamour of filing. The romance of typing. Tilly, what are you doing?
Well, I'm just fixing you up. You'll want to look pretty in case you meet someone nice.
Yeah, right. As if he's gonna come walking right through that.
That's gonna be fine, kid. You're the cat meow. Hey, you can meow, can't you? Where's Sawyer? Ah, Sawyer, sweetie, baby.
Whatever it is, the answer is no.
I'm in a bit of a jam.
Too bad.
Let's find a female cat for the art picture.
Tough tabby.
You should get the fill.
You?
Nah, I only fill in for those dashing Clark Gable types.
Well, frankly, Clark, I don't give a...
Sawyer.
I'm your secretary, not an actress.
Come on, I'll give you Sundays off.
I never work Sundays.
Double time.
Triple time.
Triple time.
Is there an echo in here?
You're pushing me.
No chow, no meow.
Okay, triple time. Here's your partner. He's doing town. Be nice.
Forget it.
A deal's a deal. Not a deal.
Wow. You're soaking wet. Is it raining outside? Because it was sunny when I came in, and you know, back where I come from, the door for you. Where I come from, you see clouds and stuff first, and that thing comes after it. Sorry.